Welcome back for the next session on trigonometry, children. Today we have the session 8. Today we'll be discussing exercise 8.2 as per NCERT textbook for class 10. Now, when we finished the last session, I remember giving you some homework. I wanted you to solve this problem. Have you tried? Okay, you please check your answers. So the first subdivision is, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and second subdivision is cot square theta. Okay, so this sum can be done in two different ways. First method, you have to use your fundamental principles. Now we'll try both the methods and see whether you are getting the same answer. Okay, now as usual we have got cot theta is 7 by 8 means adjacent by opposite. We get 7k divided by 8k. Therefore, we have to find AC square. So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You will get 7k the whole square plus 8k the whole square. That gives you 49k square. 49k square plus 64k square. So that gives you 113k square. Therefore, AC is equal to square root 113k. So I am writing here the square root 113k, 113k. Okay. Now, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus theta, sin theta. Obviously, you are familiar with the identities. A plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. If you use that identity, you will get LHS, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta gives you what? 1 minus sin square theta. And then same way denominator is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta gives you 1 minus cos square theta. Now here 1 minus sin square theta, we can use the identities. So that is the second method. The first method will be using the fundamental properties. So 1 minus sin square theta is what? 1 minus 8k divided by square root 113k the whole square. So if you square it, here it becomes 64k square, here it becomes 113k square. Similarly, cos theta is 7k divided by square root 113k. If you make the square of it, it becomes 49k square divided by 113k square. So that k square will get cancelled. So we will get 1 minus sin square theta as 1 minus 64 divided by 113, and then here 1 minus cos square is 1 minus 49 divided by 113. Got it? Now if you take the common denominator, 113 minus 64 divided by 113, here it is 113 minus 49. This denominator by using the reciprocal law of division, that goes up 113 divided by 113 minus 49. Have you understood this? So these two numbers will get cancelled. So on subtraction, this becomes what? 49. This becomes what? 64. So 113 minus 64 gives you 49, and then this gives you 64. So that is your answer for the first, by the first method. Now what is the second method? Second method will be using the identities. So we all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So anyway, we will be elaborating this when we do the next exercise. As of now, you just learn the method, and more examples we'll be doing at that time when we solve exercise 8.4. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Have you understood this equation? In the same way, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. I hope you have understood this. When I say cos square, 1 minus sin square goes up and you have got only cos square here. Similarly, 1 minus cos means the cos square, 1 minus 1 comes here and then this cos square goes up and goes to the other side. We get that's equal to sin square theta. So what do we get? This is the first method. The second method we have got 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, and then 1 minus sin square theta is sin square theta, and then cos square by sin square is nothing but cot square theta, and cot square is given to be 7 by 8 the whole square. Therefore, cot square theta is 7 by 8 the whole square. We will get 49 by 64. Both the methods you are getting the same answer. You have to verify for your satisfaction. So how many of you got the same thing like this? Okay, very good. Okay. Now the second subdivision is cot square theta. Just square this value. You will get always cot theta. The whole square is written as cot square theta, not as cot theta the whole square. So many other ways you can think. So it is cot theta into cot theta. That is written as cot square theta with the square on top of t, not on top of theta. You cannot write this as cot theta square. You have to write this as, if you do this, this is wrong. You have to write this as cot square theta. That symbol comes here. This is the right solution. Have you understood, children? So this is the first answer you can get. Second answer you can get from the first itself. So how many of you have done it? If you have done it, well and good. If you have not done it, don't worry. In the next session you will be comfortable to do more sums like this. Okay. Children, please take down the first sum, first subdivision of exercise 8.2. Sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. So if you look at the trigonometric values or ratios of sin values, sin 30 is always, sin 0 is 0, next sin 30 is half, then sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, and finally sin 90 becomes 1. So the sin values increase from 0 to 1. Whereas the cos values, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is half, cos 90 is 0. So the cos values decreases from 1 to 0. So this you have to have in your mind so that you will not get confused with that. Okay. So sin 60 value is what? I heard somebody murmuring. Root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is what? That's again root 3 by 2. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is half. What is cos 60? That's again half. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, giving you the answer 1. So 1 is the answer for this sum. Children, take down question number 2, second subdivision. So 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin squared 60. We should find the values. So 2 into, what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. Tan square 45 is 1 into 1. So the value 2 into 1. So obviously you get only 2 here. Understood? Now what is cos square 30? What is cos 30 value? Even for the previous sum we applied cos 30 value as root 3 by 2. On squaring, what will you get? You will get 3 by 4. Understood? So you will get cos square 30 as root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Obviously you will get 3 by 4 minus sin 60. What is sine 60, children? Sine 60 is also root 3 by 2. And sine square 60 is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So you will get minus 3 by 4. Both the values will get cancelled. You will get 2 as the answer. Are you ready, children? Take down the fourth subdivision. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos 60 divided by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Right? Now what is the value of sin 30? It is half. Tan 45 is 1. And cosecant 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So the reciprocal will be 2 by root 3. Now what about the denominator? Secant 30 is 1 by cos 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant is 2 by root 3. And then plus cos 60 is what? Half. Cot 45 is 1. So what can be done? We can simplify. So if you simplify, this becomes what? 2 root 3 for the numerator. So here root 3 plus 2 root 3, 2 2s are minus 4. So divided by, and here it is 2 root 3 once again. That becomes what? 2 2s are 4, and then plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So root 3 will 2 root 3 will get cancelled because it goes to the numerator, and then denominator 2 root 3 both will get cancelled. So finally what have we got? And here again plus 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 gives you 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, here also there is 4 plus root 3 and then 2 root 3. So we have got 2 root 3 plus root 3 gives you 3 root 3, and then the plus 4 is also here. So 3 root 3 plus 4. So these are the final terms after getting it cancelled. Now we cannot leave the denominator like this. We have to rationalize and then bring it to a number without any irrational number. That is the challenge. Now I am writing this as a 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 plus 4. So what is the rationalizing factor? It is 3 root 3 according to the denominator only you should choose. So 3 root 3 minus 4. So if we choose according to the denominator, this is the rationalizing factor. So you have to have, it is 3 root 3 minus 4 the whole square. And for the denominator, what have we got? It is 3 root 3 square minus 16. What is 3 root 3 square? 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 gives you 3. 9 3s are 27. Minus 4 square is 16. Understood? So if it is so, what will be the denominator? It is 11, which is free of any irrational number. So now we have to multiply the numerator. 3 root 3 minus 4 we have to find. Whole square we should find out. A minus b the whole square we should apply. So if you apply a minus b the whole square rule here, first term is 3 root 3 square. So they can have a minor rough work here. 3 root 3 square is nothing but 3 3s are 9 into 3, 27. How? It is 3 into 3 into root 3 into root 3. So this is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Okay. So please clear your doubts then and there. In case if you are not able to understand, you have to work out in the rough column in this manner. The next is 16 square. 4 square, sorry. So it is 16, and the middle term. What is the middle term? 2 into 3 root 3 into 4. So there is a negative sign here. So 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24 minus 24 root 3 divided by 27 minus 16 is 11. Correct? Are you understanding? On simplification, this becomes what? 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11 is your answer. Take down the fifth sum, children. Fifth sum is 5 cos squared 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 divided by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Okay. Now 5 cos square 60. You all know cos theta is half when theta is equal to 60. Therefore 5 cos square, half square is 1 by 4. So it is 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into secant square of 30. What is secant 30? It is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30's value is root 3 by 2. Therefore secant 30 is 2 by root 3. We are squaring it. So 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3 gives you 4 by 3. So I should get here 4 by 3. Now tan square 45 is 1 divided by sin square 30. Sin 30 is half. Sin square 30 is 1 by 4 plus cos square 30. Cos square 30 is what? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. That gives you 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 gives you 1. Therefore the denominator becomes just 1. So it is enough if you simplify only the numerator. So this is very simple fraction calculation. 16 by 3 minus 1. So 12 is the LCM. 15 plus 4 times 16 is 64 minus here 12. Correct? Are you understanding? Now tell me what is this value? This is 79. 79 minus 12 gives you, tell me. No one is giving out the answer. It is 79 minus 12 divided by 12. So it is 67 by 12. That is your answer. You can underline the answer like this. Understood? Children, take down the third sum. If tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, under the assumption 0 degrees is less than a plus b is less than or equal to 90 degrees and a greater than b. Okay. So while getting the final answers a and b, you should check whether these conditions hold good. Okay. Now you all know the trigonometrical ratio values of angle 30, 60, 90 and so on. Therefore, you can easily say that if tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 means the angle value a plus b must be equal to 60 degrees. And then tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 means a minus b should be equal to 30 degrees. So here there is a plus b and minus b. So we have to add both the equations so that this b and b will get cancelled. You will get 2a to be equal to 90 degrees. So a is equal to 45 degrees. Are you understanding? So just because a is 45, a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. So 45 plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, b is equal to 60 minus 45, giving you the value 15 degrees. Therefore, a is equal to 45 degrees and b is equal to 15 degrees. So, a is greater than b, a plus b is less than 90. So, that ends the sum. Children, before we end this session, I want you to give some homework. Please take down these homework sums. These are actually the second sum in the same exercise 8.2. The first subdivision is if 2 tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees, you should find what is this value. And then second question, 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 is what? You have to find out. Third one, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. When is it true? When a is equal to, you have to find out the angle. And now the fourth sum, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So these 4 sums I want you to try and come prepared for the next session. Thank you, children.